So have you ever sat down to work, right? Open your laptop with clear intention, like, man, today I'm gonna work hard, I'm gonna put things together. Somehow 30 minutes later, you are scrolling Instagram, watching random videos, or replying messages that could possibly could have waited. I want to tell you that you are not lazy, you are not undisciplined, and you are not broken either. The truth is, this word is professionally engineered to steal your focus. And every notification, every app, every sound, every vibration you receive is fighting your attention. And the scariest part, whatever controls your attention controls your life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stay focused in a world designed to distract you without becoming extreme, antisocial, or burning yourself out. Now, let's have that kind of one-on-one conversation that we used to have. Find value, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button, share the video with someone that needs to hear this. We live in the most distracted generation in human history, right? Now think about it. You wake up, you check your phone, notification, already waiting, messages, news, reels, emails before your feet even touch the ground. Your mind is already tired, completely tired. And then we wonder why we can't finish projects, we struggle to stay consistent, and we'll go feel far away. Now we feel busy but unproductive. Focus has become a superpower, and those who master it will always be ahead of those who don't. Number one, distraction is not an accident. Here is something most people don't realize. Distraction is a business model. Social media platforms are not designed to improve your life. They are designed to keep you scrolling. And why? Because your attention to these social media platforms is equals to millions of dollars, right? Now, algorithms studied what makes you pause, what makes you react, and what makes you emotional, and they feed you with more of it. So when you say, I just lack focus, no, you are up against billion-dollar companies engineered to hijack your brain. Once you understand this, you stop blaming yourself and start playing the game smarter. So number two, focus is not about doing more. Now most people think focus means working longer hours, grinding non-stop, forcing motivation. That is wrong. Focus is about doing less but with intention. The problem isn't that you have too much to do. Now the problem is that your mind is everywhere at once. So smash the like button. When your attention is scattered, simple tasks feel hard, right? Creativity dies, progress slows. Focus isn't intensity. Focus is clarity. And that takes us to number three. Your environment is stronger than willpower. And here is a hard truth. Willpower is weak. Environment is powerful. If your phone is on your desk, you will touch it. If notifications are on, you will definitely check them. If distraction are easy, focus becomes hard. High-performing people don't rely on discipline. They design their environment by themselves. That means you have to keep all of these things in check. And for example, phone on silence or in another room, notification turn off, clean workspace, fewer tabs open. You don't need more motivation. You need fewer temptation. Number four, I call it the attention diet. Just like food, what you consume mentally matters. If you constantly consume gossip, drama, negative news, your brain becomes impatient, restless, addicted to stimulation, and then deep focus feels painful. Now ask yourself, what am I feeding my mind every day? Focus improves when you reduce junk content, increase meaningful input, create space for silence. Boredom isn't bad. Boredom is where clarity is born. Now number five, single tasking is the new multitasking. Multitasking is a lie. I'm telling you, you are not doing many things at once. You are switching attention rapidly and exhausting your brain. Now, every switch kills momentum, reduce quality, increase mental benefits. So the most focused people do one thing, they finish it and move on. Now try this. One task, one goal, one time blocks beats speed always. Number six, create focus rituals. Now, focus doesn't happen randomly. It's trained. I'm understood. It's trained. And that is why ritual matter. A ritual tells your brain it's time to lock in. For example, same workspace, same music or silence, same time of day, short breathing exercise before starting. Over time, your brain associates that routine with deep focus. You don't wait to feel ready. You show up and focus follows. Number seven is what I call protect your mornings, right? Your morning sets the tone for your day. I'm understood. The first thing you do is check your phone, read messages, scroll social media. You are letting the world control your attention. Instead, sit in silence, pray, or reflect, journal. Win the morning, then you will definitely win the day. Number 8, focus require saying no. Understood? So every yes costs attention. When you say yes to every message, every request, every distraction, you are saying no to your future. And listen, focused people are not rude. They are intentional. Now, you don't owe everyone immediate response or immediate access to you. Your goal deserves protection. Smash the like button. Then number 9, you don't need perfect focus. You just need a better focus. Now, let's be real. You don't need monk level discipline. You don't need quit social media forever. You don't need to disappear from the world. You just need slightly better focus than yesterday. Understood? Now, let's talk about this. Small improvements compound. 30 minutes of deep work a day, one less distraction, one clear priority, one time. That is life changing. Number 10, focus is a form of self-respect. When you focus, you are saying, my time matters, my purpose matters, my future matters, right? Distraction keeps you busy. Focus builds something meaningful. And in a world where everyone is distracted, the focused person always stands out. And listen to this very carefully. So if you've been struggling to stay focused, remember this. You are not weak. You are living in a noisy world. But once you take back what controls your attention, everything changes. Your work improves. Your confidence grows. Understood? Your life starts moving forward again. This message hit you differently. All I just want you to do, you just smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Possibly tell someone about the channel. We're here to grow together.